Look, you no baboon, I know that. The only reason why you don't want this is just because you can angle this.
Sound the big thing, Rochester. Girlie is coming your way in the Michael Denton's Jamaican soap opera, Krosses.
But see ya, Rasta man, me ever fast in your mama business yet? Me ever fast in your papa business yet? Man, no, you talk to me now, cause me juking at the glasses them.
Krosses on September 17 at the German House, 315 Gregory Street, Rochester, New York. Showtime starts at 6 p.m.
You should have lock up the kitchen and tell them say food in there cook and none now serve.
Don't miss Krosses, sponsored by Lee's Import Market.